Good evening, everyone. Unit 5 or soil color in chapter 3, the soil physical properties. So, soil color is one of the most obvious characteristics of soil and is frequently used in describing soil. So, soil color has no direct effect on plant growth but indirect effect on temperature and moisture. So the productivity capacity of a soil can be judged from its color. So soil are most conveniently measured by using the Munsell soil color chart. It is a standard color comparison chart. So here the Munsell soil color chart. So there are three basic factors which are components of color. So number one is the hue, or refers to the dominant spectral color and is related to wavelength of light. So the hue notation color indicates its relation to red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So the value, or it refers to the lightness and darkness of the color. So the chroma is measure of purity of color or the intensity of brightness of a color. The significance of the soil color, so soil color and productivity, the darker the soil, the higher the productivity. So sequence of decreasing productivity, so black, brown, rust brown, gray, brown, red, gray, yellow, white. So number two, soil color and parent material. So young soil color is an indication of the parent material. So mature soil color is in indication of the climate in which they develop. Warm climate brings about red soil color, especially if the soil is well drained. A light color is the result of leaching of iron from the soil and plant nutrients. And number three is indicate some chemical conditions. So dark or black color indicates organic matter. Reddish brown color indicates that the soil is high in oxides of iron, and yellowish brown color indicates that the portion of lowland soil is at oxidized state, and moist soil in darker than dry soil, and last one is the paddy soil is bluish, indicating that it is at reduced state. 4 is the soil color and drainage. So mottled colors in soil indicates the reduction of oxidation and lack of aeration. In number 5, soil color and classification. So helpful in classification of soils. So next is the unit 6, which is the soil consistency. So soil consistency is the physical condition of a soil at given water content. So behavior of the soil when subjected to mechanical stress or manipulation. So soil behaves differently at different soil moisture content. So hard when dry, uh, friable when moist, sticky and plastic when wet, and viscous or flows like a fluid when supersaturated. Soil consistency description. So wet consistency, plasticity or stickiness of the soil. So plasticity allows molding of the soil to any shape without breaking. So sticky is the ability of material to adhere to other object. Second is moist or friable consistency. It is not dry but nearly saturated condition. So when tilled, soil tends to crumble easily. So the soil is at or near its optimal wetness for tillage. It is the physical condition of the soil that is suitable for plowing. So dry consistency, the consistency when the soil is dry. When dry, the the soil body is likely to be hard and brittle. So high resistance to tillage. Sandy soil have less loose consistence and crumble easily, and clay soils are hard.